want. How we started from the back and we ended to the front. Now we got it, and everything reciprocal. I was broke, I was ridiculed. Now I'm straight living, good times for new beginnings. Popping bottles with cuter women. Said a Douce, shorty feeding for some Douce. She just trying to ride this new wave. She just...
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I want to shout out my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male, and alpha females in the building. You heard, you know what I mean? Now, what I got here for y'all today is a presentation by Harlembling, you know what I mean? Comment, like, subscribe, promote if you can. Now, let's get to the video. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews, as I already said. Now, like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is a presentation by Harlembling. You heard, you know what I mean? It's a, you know what I mean? Small little pendant. Tell me what y'all think of this thing, you know what I mean? And I will say, before I carry on with the video, I had a small discrepancy with one of my orders from Harlembling, but I will say shout out to their customer service. They took care of me tremendously. Shout out to Harlembling for your customer service. Thanks for taking care of me. I am forever grateful. You know what I mean? Now let's get to the presentation. Now, as y'all see, ain't nothing y'all ain't never seen before from them. Nice gold logo on the box. Simple box, but like I always say, sometimes less is more. And when you're only ordering pendants, you know what I mean? You can't expect a crazy presentation. You heard. Let's open up the box. Ooh, that thing is shining through the plastic. You know what I mean? Look at that thing right there. This is a mini or a small, because they don't call it mini. A small Jesus piece from, you know what I mean, Harlembling. Look at that thing through the plastic. Now, give me 2 seconds. You already know what I feel about plastic. Plastic beater, plastic beater. You already know plastic beater ops, and they forever gonna be the ops in my eyes. So, I don't think we ever gonna get along until they start learning to cooperate. You know what I mean? Instead of giving us YouTubers and people who like to buy jewelry a hard time. Black Glove Gang in the building. What's up, fellas? Shout out to y'all. Now, let's get back to the piece. Look at that thing, man. I don't know if I could get that in focus. Fully iced out. You know what I mean? Small Jesus pendant. You know what I mean? Look at that thing right there. Woo-wee. That thing is shining. That thing will blind you anywhere. You know what I mean? This thing is crazy. That thing is crazy. I'm liking this thing already. You know what I mean? I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a 925 stamp right at the end of the bell. Let's see if we could get it in focus. Look at that thing. 925. Y'all see it. Now this is 14 karat gold plated over 925 sterling silver. Now I already know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, how much is that thing right there? That thing looking crazy. I will gladly let y'all know, when it comes to Harlembling, they got a lot of, you know what I mean, sterling silver, and almost all of it, if not all of it, is very affordable. Now, like I was saying, when it comes to Harlembling, all it is, sterling silver, is very, very more than affordable. So when it comes to this piece right here, this thing costs $27.49. You heard? Let's repeat that. $27.49. Now, if I got the price wrong, I will drop the tab on the screen for you guys to see it for yourself. You know what I mean? Look at this thing, man. Now, there's nothing wrong with this piece. Feels really sturdy, really tough. You know what I mean? I'm just not a big fan of when Jesus pieces got open back. But you know what I mean? When it comes to a lot of these companies, you can't blame them. As long as it looks good, nobody's going to see the back when it's pressed up against your shirt anyway. Now, we got to announce it. You know what I mean? For all you haters, for all you diamond connoisseurs, you know what I mean? I already know what y'all going to say. Hey, yo, Stevie D, those ain't even real diamonds, G's. Why you promoting them? Well, guess what? They ain't got a listing for this one in real diamonds, so I ain't got to announce it. And guess what? 1, 2, 3. Who cares? You know what I mean? This thing shines good. It's real silver, 14 karat. plated, you know what I mean? Gold plated. To me, if you ask me, this thing is nice, man. Y'all let me know what's up. You know what I mean? Let's get a quick little, you know what I mean? Look at the detailing. Like I said, y'all see the stamp. Take a look at this thing, man. This thing is nice. I like it. Tell me what y'all think. Like I said, $27 and change. They got a lot of affordable silver. You know what I mean? I like this thing, man. Ain't much to say much more about that. Let's take another look. I got a later review where I'll be comparing this Jesus piece with a couple of other Jesus pieces. It's not a versus, it's just to see, you know what I mean, what the people think. So stay tuned. But as far as this right here, I like it. It's dope. In the near future, you know what I mean? Take another look at this thing. 1, 2, 3. I'm out.